इंडिया में एक ऐसा टैबू है जिस पर शायद कोई भी लड़की हो, मदर हो, ग्रैंडमा हो, यहाँ तक के फ्रेंड्स भी हों, उन्हें भी बात करने में हिचकिचाहट रहती है। हम बात करें यहाँ पर आज जो पीरियड टैबूज़ की, तो इसी से रिलेटेड एक इवेंट में दिखाई दिए हैं। हमारे साथ हैं इस वक्त नेहा धूपिया। उन्हीं से जानते हैं कि उनका क्या कहना है इस इवेंट के साथ एसोसिएट होने के बारे में। हाय नेहा, वेलकम टू Day 90s. I just want to know how you feel to be associated with this event.
Well, it's absolutely wonderful to be associated with an event that lends its voice to women, where to a level where they can turn around and get totally protected in whatever way they want. Like today we're here talking about Whisper, we're here talking about period, we're here talking about the fact that there are no taboos. We're trying to eradicate so much from society just to make our country, our society a far more comfortable place for women. And if you're going to ask me how it feels fantastic. There's no reason I shouldn't be here today.
So, being an actress, I mean, बहुत सारे ऐसे, stunt scenes होते हैं जो खुद actresses को करने पड़ते हैं. और when you are down, when you are in periods, how you manage to, overcome those things?
Well, you just have to make sure that you use Whisper, and now the new and improved Whisper has which is 40% longer, and it gives you all-day protection. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. But we're not here talking just as somebody who's trying to advertise a certain sanitary napkin, but we're here trying to make sure that we extend ourselves, our voices, to a point where women who do not have access to sanitary care turn around and get access to it through the voice that we're trying to lend. We're looking at a target of almost educating 15 million women by 2017 at the grassroots level, talking about sort of menstrual education. So it's not just what I feel when I'm doing an action sequence on a film set, but it's also how far we're going to take this in the next 3 years to be able to make sure that whether I'm on a film set or whether there's a woman sitting at home, we're both extremely comfortable.
So you were the one who were associated with the surveys of this campaign. So how you find the surveys? I mean, we find somewhere that urban people are more into it, or rural people they don't have the knowledge. So what's your take?
Well, almost 70% women do not have access to sanitary care, which is so unfortunate. Which is like, that means it's just like 3 out of every 10 women turn around and have access. It's just like, it is a survey that really shocks you and alarms you. And that's why you have brands like Whisper that come forward, and they come forward and talk about educating women. Now, if you're talking about what you feel when you hear about numbers like this, you feel unfortunate. Do I feel fortunate because I've been brought up in an environment where everybody is okay to talk about periods and sanitary napkins? Yes, I do. But it's not difficult to change that. And we're going to, whether it's me or whether it's the influencers or whether it's Kalki or Mandira or anybody else who's a part of this, is going to turn around and make sure that they do influence, we together influence women as much as we can.
So we want to know about your projects. What's in Kitty?
Well, on the 19th of September, I have a lovely movie called Ikkis Topo Ki Salami that's coming out. I'm here in Chandigarh. I know there's a movie called Double the Trouble that's coming out on 29th of August, and I've done a song with Gippy and Dharamji in it. And I also have a movie called Ungli that comes out on the 21st of November, so I'm looking forward to each one of them.
Then the 2014 is just the last 2014 is full. And what about the Punjabi film?
Well, nothing right now apart from Double the Trouble and the song that I've done. But yes, if I get a good opportunity, I would love to come back. I have done Rangile with Jimmy Shergill, and I look forward to working more and more in Punjabi cinema.
Thank you so much. We wish you good luck. Thank you. Thank you. So this was Neha Dhupia who was saying कि अगर उन्हें पंजाबी फिल्म की तरफ से फिर से कोई अच्छी सी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, वो ज़रूर उसे हासिल करना चाहेंगे. विद कैमरामैन मुकेश पांडे, दिस इज अर्लीन कौर, Day 90s चंडीगढ़.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए. हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर. खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन.